Okay, hi guys, it's Jheniece and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a hair review on this ponytail. Okay, so this ponytail is from Elfinhair and I decided to get the ponytail because I wanted to save my edges. Sometimes frontals are just not the best for your edges, especially when you're impatient and you just don't want to spend 10 minutes taking off your wig. So I decided to get a ponytail. This ponytail was $88, so it's about 60 something pounds. And this is Yaki straight hair, and it is the ponytail that, you know, when it's like, okay, I'm going to show you what it is on this side because it's really hard to explain, but you know, it has that piece of hair there where you can wrap it round. And so that's what this one is. So it's really easy to put on. It also has a clip so that you can, is it a clip? Like a comb, yeah, a comb where you can like put it through your hair so it's just secure and it's not gonna fall off, honey, okay? Trust me, I think you should use the comb. This comes with like an instruction leaflet, and it also tells you the hair shampoo that you should use, the best hair shampoos that you should use, also the conditioners that you should use, also the temperature that you can heat, that you can style it out with the heating tools, with heating products and stuff. And it also tells you the best brand dyes to use. With Elfinhair, they give you this all the time with your hair. That's what I like, because like it's really helpful, like which ones that you should use. But I do find that with Elfinhair like works well with the live hair dye and also the Ayla hair dye, the one that you dip in with hot water. That one, it works really well with that hair as well. It also gives you the best rated shampoos and conditioners to use with the hair. And then they also gave me lashes as well, which is really nice because these lashes are nice, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think this hair is fantastic. I like the packaging that it comes in. So nice. I think the hair is really good. I bought from Elfinhair 3 times now, and every time they've always done me good. So I was just thinking, let me do a hair review, because it's hard to find a good vendor out there, guys. It's really hard to find a good vendor. But Elfinhair is really good. The hair is really good. It doesn't shed and it doesn't tangle. It's really easy to comb. It's when you get the hair, it looks kind of thin, the ponytail, but when you wash it, it's luscious and full and voluptuous, honey. So don't worry. Elfinhair know what they're doing when it comes to hair. And they're also, I don't know if they're a big brand or a small brand, but they're really good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I know it's hard to find a good vendor out there, but Elfinhair know what they're doing. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick review because sometimes I know how hard it is to find a good vendor. But yeah, I love the packaging. Also, the delivery is really good. They deliver with FedEx, and I think FedEx is the best one because some of these other ones are just ridiculous right now. They're just ridiculous. But FedEx is really good. They aim to deliver within 7 days, and they usually do deliver within 7 days. Yeah, I'm not sure about the customs thing, because I remember the first time I bought hair from them, I had to pay customs, but then the other 2 times I bought hair from them, I didn't have to pay customs. So this time I didn't have to pay customs. I don't really know why that happens and what happens with that, but I'm not really sure about the whole customs things. But like, it's like the 2 times I didn't have to pay customs, and the first time I had to, so I'm not really sure. But the delivery is really good. They're really good at customer service. When you message them, they answer back as swiftly as possible. Obviously, because of the time difference, so sometimes it will take a while, but they'd never like go without a day with answering you back. So they're really good with their customer service as well. So I just wanted to give you this review. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.